Hello and welcome, Toastmaster and guests, to Vibe Club, contest number 1. The beginning, the start. I'm a Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Manazir Abbas. I'll welcome you to all an exciting and entertaining evening. 1,000 miles of journey start with a step. So this is the first baby step toward that journey. Mark it when you reach to their destination. I would like to begin by stating the mission of a Toastmaster Club. We provide a supportive and positive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. Some rules to be respected during the contest. Please turn off all noise-making devices and put them on silent mode. Speakers are requested to refrain from making any reference of politics, sex, or religion in their speeches. Would request to keep your microphone on mute unless you have a turn to speak. Please keep the cameras so the speaker or role player will be able to connect with the audience. And now, without further ado, I would like to hand over the screen to the person who will take the meeting forward. Ladies, there's no ladies, so only gentlemen. Please join me in welcoming our dashing, very punctual, with full of integrity, our President Arif. Over to you, President Arif.
Thank you so much, Sergeant at Arms Manazir Abbas. A wonderful start, and same vibes will continue forever. That is the only aim we have so far at present now. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. My division director, my area director, and this club mentors, DTM Anadata Murli Manoharji, and also the sponsors. So I take this opportunity to thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. And we will make as a best Vibe Club, Vibe Toastmasters, Table Topic Toastmasters Club in this region. Thank you so much. And as per the power vested in me, I declare this meeting is through, and let us proceed further. And before starting, we have some guests. Let us welcome the guest, and I request the guests to introduce themselves. DTM, yeah, Toastmaster Reshmi, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I am Reshmi Sujata Nair. I am a member of Vijayara Toastmaster Club. I came to know about this Vibe Toastmasters Club from our VP Education Toastmaster Harry Varagan, your president. So it's nice to meet you all, and let's see. All these things. The table topics is actually a very big challenge for all of us. So I'm also looking forward to improve my impromptu speaking. So thanks for the opportunity and good to see you all. Thank you.
Thank you, VPPR, Vijayara Toastmasters Club, Toastmaster Reshmi Sujata Nair. Toastmaster Priyadarshini, Madam, we met you in the contest. I think area 49 contest you are doing southern. Yes.
No, area 49. No. Area 37.
Area 37. Yeah. Division J. No, it was.
Yes. Right. Good evening, everyone. This is Priyadarshini. My home club is UAE Advanced Toastmasters Club, and I'm here today just because of DTM Nagarajan. He has invited me, and actually he insisted me to improve my impromptu speaking. I should join this one. That's why I'm here. Over to you.
Welcome. And we have one more guest called Ashwini from Fujairah, right? Madam Ashwini, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
My name is Ashwini from Sharjah in Kalba, my hometown, India. I am living with my husband. My family are in Kerala. I was worked here as an administrative officer. Now I quit my job and searching new job. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you. Welcome to Vibes Toastmasters Club. I think that's all we have. Toastmaster Nathan Subramaniam sir, you are a guest or a member?
Member.
I'm a member. Actually, I'm a member.
But if you want me to introduce myself, yes, why not?
Yes,
Because
please.
He's a member. He is a
being
member.
being the first session, in fact, I would like to suggest that all of us should introduce ourselves to others.
Yes, correct.
Yes, I am Natan Subramanian. I am from Tamil Nadu, and I have been living in Oman for the last 27 years.
Oh.
And I have been a Toastmaster for the last 10 years. I belong to Morrison Muscat Toastmasters Club.
Mhm.
Yes. Even my wife is also a Toastmaster. My children are also Gavaliers.
Oh,
The Toastmasters have provided a very good platform for us to improve our communication leadership skills and so many other plethora of soft skills as well.
True.
So we have been enjoying this journey. Thank you. Over to you.
That's great.
do you
Yes,
find there is a similarity between me and Nathan, sir?
Yes. In fact, I found it. Yes.
Silver cat, silver hat.
Yes. Only he spent 27 years, I spent 40 years. That's only difference.
And both looks 18 years old.
That is
Don't
true.
judge the book by the cover.
That's sheer flattery here.
He is Rajinikanth and he is Kamala Hassan. And really, it's
Welcome.
Toastmasters is a way of life now. It not only our improving our speaking skills, communication skills, or leadership skills. It's giving us a entire way of life, how to live and how to lead further. It's really an amazing platform. And myself, Ari Varagan, I am the president of Vibe Toastmasters Club, and I am currently serving as a VP Education in Fujairah Toastmasters Club, and also VP Membership in American Toastmasters Club. And I am the DTAC Ambassador 2021 Oman.
Very good.
That's all. And others also can introduce.
Now finished. Now area director. First you have to say it. Because you gave the birth to this child.
Okay. Yeah. So, President Arivagan, Division K Director, DTM Nagarajan, dignitaries, DTMs, Toastmasters, guests, good evening to all. My name is Ramesh. I'm serving as Area 47 Director now. Vibe Table Topic Toastmasters Club is our 5th club in Area 47, and it falls under Division K, under the leadership of the Division K Director, DTM Nagarajan.
Welcome. Welcome.
The idea of the table topic Toastmasters came, I think, somewhere in December or January. We were thinking about what about having a club which focuses on, as Reshmi mentioned, as challenging skill or a difficult skill, focusing on the table topic skill at the same time a concise meeting. So that's the whole idea about this Vibe Table Topic Toastmasters Club. I want to thank few people, especially DTM Anandada sir, to helping me documenting all these procedures, sending to Toastmasters International and making it as a reality. Over to you, President.
Thank you so much. Before moving to the other members, let us have welcome our one more guest, Toastmaster Pattabhiraman from Fujairah Toastmasters. Can you please introduce yourself, Mr. Pattabhiraman?
Hi, good evening, everybody. Actually, thank you, Ari, for calling me for this meeting. So I'm also one of the member from Fujairah Toastmasters Club. So I'm serving as a VP membership. So I'm happy to improve my impromptu skill. That's why I'm here. So nice to meeting you all.
Thank you so much. Let us keep introducing ourselves, or shall I proceed with the session?
No, let's first introduce ourselves. We will ask Mr. Magnet to introduce himself.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you all. Good evening, the Division K Director, Area 47 Director, and DTM Anandata Muraliji, and DTM Subramanian Nathan, and Toastmaster Arif, Manasir Abbas, Reshmi, and Priyadarshini, and Ashwani, and good evening, everyone. I am Kanti, a member of Division K family, and I'm in PR, working as serving as a PR manager in the Division K. And my home club is Scholars Toastmasters Club, and I belong to many other clubs, including District 20 Padayana Solvender and Division F and Division B and K. And I have the greatest achievement in my life is I got married and I got 2 kids. That's all. And over to you. And who will follow? I request Toastmaster Manazir Abbas to introduce yourself. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you so much. Good evening, seniors, fellow Toastmasters and guests. My name is Manazir Abbas, and I'm a newborn baby of a Toastmasters club. Joined recently, like last 4 months from Sharjah Toastmasters. And my mentor is Mr. Ramesh, who is here. And I'm a proud member of Sharjah Toastmasters Club. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. And we have one more participant, Mr. Sujit Kumar, Toastmaster Sujit Kumar. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone. My name is Sujit Reddy. I am member of the club number 105 based on Dubai. Currently in Dubai from last 4 years. I am here to learn about table topics. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you so much, and you are in the right platform. Thank you. Together we can learn a lot. So I think that's all. Our introduction was done now. So let us proceed with the session. And to proceed further, let me welcome our DTM Anandata Murli Manoharji, a superb personality and a great person, I feel from my heart. And thank you so much, and the stage is yours, sir.
Namaste, good evening. My name is Annadatta Murli Manohar. I am I'm very happy to be here, that too on the first day of this meeting. As I told some time back, we will be watching this video during our 100th meeting, 250th meeting, 500th meeting, and so on. This is our aim. I am actually from Hyderabad, but I'm based out of Kuwait. For 28 years, I've been in Kuwait. Thanks to COVID, I'm back in Hyderabad, temporarily permanent. I don't know when I will be moving out of this place. Once the flights resume, I may either go to Kuwait or may move to a new destination, maybe Bahrain or Dubai. I'm an insurance professional, and in Toastmaster, this is my 4th DTM I'm working on. God willing, with all your blessings, I'll be completing my 4th DTM, inshallah, by next year at least. So that is a thing. I'm here basically to support this club because it's something which I loved it, table topics. Till date, in my 8 years of career, I've never competed in any contest because of my leadership roles from the day one. So I've never been a contestant, but I have always been a chief judge or a judge, mostly chief judge. So I thought this is a platform, at least I can become a contestant, at least in table topics. I live in Hyderabad. I'm happily married, like Kanti said, and I'm a father of 3 lovely daughters, and 2 of them participated in the Commonwealth Games. They are the only people in the world from the same family, other than the, you would have seen a movie called Dangal. Those 2 girls and my 2 daughters are the other people from the entire Commonwealth who are from the same family. My eldest daughter is just going to be married just 1 month from today. And that's why I'm here in Hyderabad. Second is a daughter, third is a chartered accountant. And I'm into professional. I run a real estate company, as well as I have my own insurance brokerage office. Now coming to the day of table topics. I would like to see all of you through my gallery view. I want everybody, Sujit, Aswani, all of you, please open up your camera. And this is going to be, when table topics.
Table topic master of the day. Sorry for the interruption. We have web master role also. So
Yeah.
the tabletop speakers use the word also. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. So before I ask the word master, can I request Aswani and Sujit Kumar Reddy? Yes. Okay, okay, no problem. No problem, Aswani. Very nice. Now, who is the word master of the day? Can they raise their hands? Yes.
I know.
I'm just kidding. So we have a person who has been going around Oman and Dubai, but now with us for a change. He is here to provide us a word for this day. And this day, we have to really appreciate this man, because every day morning when you get up, in your WhatsApp, you will have one vocabulary. And this is done sincerely, religiously by this young person who is also from Chennai and Visakhapatnam. So may I request our president to be DTM, he is dearest Toastmaster, Arivaragan, to give up the word of the day.
Thank you so much, Table Topic Master of the Day. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce a new word today. The new word is Sogdalajar. I have just posted in the chat. I missed to put it as a screenshot. Let me share it as a screen also. The word is pronounced as Sogdalajar. Sogdalajar, and it is the meaning of the word is something very good of its kind, an exceptional person or a thing. So like it's something very good of its kind, anything of its kind of its own, that is the thing. And examples are standouts, so those kind of things. And a small example to frame the word, the debutant speakers Sogdalajar speech shocked the entire team of judges. So that is how it has been used wherever it is there. So I recommend to use this word. Let us have a small Robin round session also.
Table Topics, Vibe Table Topics Club itself is a Sogdalajar club in the entire Toastmaster fraternity. DTM Nathan?
Sir, your Division K director is muted. I think he was talking.
Yeah, I have to use the Sogdalajar word, right?
Yes.
See, in the World Cup 1983, the performance of Kapil Dev against Zimbabwe was a Sogdalajar performance.
Oh.
175 not out.
Yes. Let me say, recently, I'm very proud to say, our Division Case Public Relations Head, Kantimati Rajan, is Sogdalajar personality, and he is an inspiration to many new members in the division to take more seriously the public relations. So there is no second thought, is a Sogdalajar.
Wow, awesome. Superb.
Pattabhiraman?
Can I try one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, Pattabhiraman.
Actually, yeah.
The Sogdalajar opening by Toastmaster Manazir today, going to the record book of Vibe Table Topic Toastmaster Club, because he did this opening for the first ever meeting of Vibe Table Topic Toastmasters Club.
Yes, Kanti?
Sorry, Pattabhiraman. Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Priyadarshini?
Toastmaster Pattabhiraman raising his hand.
Oh, okay, 1 minute.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Priyadarshini?
The concept of having a table topic club, like a Vibe table topic club, is in itself a Sogdalajar.
Thank you, Toastmaster Pattabhiraman.
Thanks for the opportunity. From my experience, because I don't have so much of experience like you all. in Toastmaster, but I have only like 1.5 years experience. I have seen, now I'm serving as the ex-com member in Fujairah Toastmaster Club. I've seen our TM Arivagan going to be DTM. He is one of the Social Ledger member among our ex-com group, and he's extending his wings beyond the club level, area level, division, and what else I don't know. So he is definitely a Social Ledger personality. That's what I want to.
Okay. Manazir Abbas.
I think our President Awir is a Sogdolger personality. The way he carries things with full of integrity, punctuality, and with dedication. Thank you.
Sir, I would like, I
Yes,
would like
yes,
to,
Kanti,
I
yes.
would like to thank Sagdaljar Division Director for his kind advice and motivating quality in every meetings and everywhere. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you. Toastmaster Reshmi.
There is no doubt that the Toastmasters helps us make a Socadalger in both personal and professional life. Is the meaning correct? Truth in the sentence?
Yes.
Thank you.
His
Thank
Excellency D. Nagarajan, alias Rajinikanth.
He given his word.
No, he gave us an Nagarajan. Now I'm asking Rajinikanth.
Ah, Sogdolger, yes. Many of you are following up the Fujairah Toastmasters Club's WhatsApp group. The moment word of the day comes, the first person to frame the sentence and comes out even before you get up and brush your teeth and come in, that person is a Sogdolger who is none other than our Reshmi Nair. I was about to prepare and send it, but she has already sent it. So then she is exceptional. And I want to acknowledge in this Vibe Toastmasters, she is a role model for others, how to use the word of the day. I would say she is Sogdolger.
Welcome, Chinnathambi.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Welcome.
Welcome back to UAE also.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, can you use the word of the day?
Yeah, sure. I could see a Sogdolger group of people who is in front of me in the desk, running a Vibe Toastmaster Club in a better way. All the best to all the participants.
Okay. Bakes up, you are there? Bake, and there is one TM, I don't know the name. Aswani, she said she's outside. Anyhow, with this note, thank you very much, Word Master. I would like to sincerely thank two people for forming this club. First and foremost, please put your hands together and congratulate our young hero who feels that he is just retired, but he is still young at heart. None other than our Division K Director, His Highness DTM Nagarajan. We would also like to thank the man behind the show who worked very hard and who has done a great job for the Area 47 as its director, the great Toastmaster Ramesh. Nothing can happen by itself. It's all together, everyone achieves more. And we are very happy that today we have all confluenced here for the formation or the christening or the chartering of this club called Vibe Table Topics Toastmaster Club. I am very proud to be the first TMOD or the Table Topics Master of this day. And it's going to be a simple task. I'm not going to ask you tough questions, but a very simple task. How many of you actually joined this club voluntarily? just show up your hand. Thank you. So I have two people whom I can talk to. One is Priyadarshini, another is Pattabhiram, third is Sujit. They have not joined, but they will be a prospective member. So my question to these three people, I want you to share with us your first day experience as a Toastmaster, not as a guest, as a Toastmaster. And who is the timer here today for the day? None other than Toastmaster Manazir Abbas.
Yes, sir.
Manazir Abbas and all the others, they know that in table topics, we have 2 minutes time. After 1 minute, you will be shown green color. After 1 minute, 30 seconds, you will be shown yellow color. At the end of 2 minutes, you will be shown red color, and it will be continuing to be there until you end your speech. However, we have a qualification for voting where a person has to speak minimum for 1 minute and maximum for 2 minutes and 30 seconds only. So I would like one of you, either Sujit Kumar Reddy, Priyadarshini or Pattabhiram, to share their first day experience as a Toastmaster. Who would like to come forward? Thank you, Priyadarshini. Yes, virtual platform to you.
Thank you so much, Table Topic Master. I'm Priyadarshini. My husband's name is Sandeep Kinge. He's in Toastmasters since 8 years, last 8 years. And he has been trying very hard to ask me to join Toastmasters. But I was so stubborn that I didn't convince by him. And one day, but no thanks to the pandemic. Because of the pandemic, I could join Toastmasters as I had my other priorities, because of which I was neglecting or ignoring to join the Toastmasters club, whereas I know that I need it the most. But when the pandemic came and our Zoom meeting started, my husband came to me, and this time he did not give me any option, because always whenever he used to introduce me or he used to ask me, why don't you join the Toastmasters club? I used to give him some other reasons that I don't have time. I cannot manage everything with my children or my family. So what happened this time, he came to me and directly told me that I'm going to fill your form. And this time you don't have any reason not to join the Toastmasters club. And anyhow, you have to join. And I have submitted your application. And soon after that, he also pushed me to join the ExCom committee. And I was a sergeant at arms at it in that club. And thanks all to the pandemic that I could join Toastmasters club, which is improving my impromptu skills, as well as it is helping me to improve my personal growth. Over to you, Table Topic Master.
Congratulations, Toastmaster Priyadarshini. You are the first speaker in this club meeting. So we can ever remember your first speech, which is inducing people to take up Toastmaster membership. So my next question is, if we learn from our mistake, why are we always afraid to make mistake? Who would like to take up this? Who would like to take up this?
I will take this one.
Yes, Sujit Kumar Reddy garu. Do you know the thing? You have understood the question?
Can you repeat once, please?
Yes, very good. If we learn from our mistakes, why are we always so afraid to make a mistake?
Yeah. Good morning, good evening, everyone. Fellow Toastmasters, my beloved guests, and my wonderful guide, Kanti Madinathan. Thank you for inviting me here. So I see in my life, every day there is a chance to learn something new. So how we are going to learn? By doing something right, either wrong. Once you are not willing to do anything, how you are going to know whether you did a right thing or a wrong thing? First, make a mistake. No problem at all. You will learn from the mistake. You will gain the experience. So from that experience, you can utilize. Don't repeat the same mistake on the next time. You do the new mistake and you learn new things. So it give you hope how to achieve. Like as a one famous Thomas Alva Edison, he failed so many times. How to not make a bulb? So after his long struggles, we are all enjoying the fruitfulness of electricity every day. So don't afraid, my friends. Go there, do mistakes, learn from there, and go ahead. Over to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See, that is why I attend every day one meeting, because every meeting I learn something, I can come out of the fear. The next question is about fear. How many of you feel that table topics is a fearful session? Very good. So the question goes to Pattabhiraman. What personal presence have you built out of fears? What personal presence have you built out of fears? Over to you, Pattabhiraman Muthukrishnan.
I should have chosen the previous question because I have a lot of failures in my life. I should have explained something better than this one. Okay. Now, to overcome the fear, because because a lot of things we are learning day by day, even though we know mistakes are usual. If you don't make mistake, you will never learn. But still we fear because we have always the inferiority complex. We feel like others are better than us, especially when we are coming to speak like this forum. We always have our own inferiority, inferiority complex, which stop us from coming out of our comfort zone. So there is a one saying normally, because if you are always in the comfort zone, nothing hardly grows in the comfort zone. So you have to always practice yourself to come out of your comfort zone to make it to the success. So fear I have from the beginning, because before I come to UAE, I never been to any of the metropolitan city also, because I was born and brought up in the village side. So even to go to the city, I need my father's assistance to come with me. So those were the times. Now from the kids, even at a younger age, even they are 5, they fly even to overseas alone. So this is the stage we are. But those times, because I really, it's unbelievable. I came all across, from my village to this beautiful, country at the age of 19 and a half. Now I'm here last 23 years, all alone. In between, my family were here for some time and they went back. But now I learned myself to come out of all this fear, the initial stage that given me a lot of courage, with the help of all my friends and colleagues at the time to overcome the fear. So now I am standing on my own. That is the presence you see now. This is the confidence level I built across with all my hard times. Thank you. Over to you, TM.
Thank you. Please, all of you are forgetting one most important thing, the word of the day. I would urge everybody, somewhere you try to bring in. Every day when our FTC vocabulary comes, I try to use that word and create some new sentence. It gives us a lot of invention, innovation, and we come out of our comfortable zone. So what is the word of the day? Sogdolkar. So remember that. See, sometime back, one of our person, he's a hero. He used one word or a statement. don't judge a book by its cover. Do you know who said that?
Kanti.
DTM Nagarajan.
Yes, DTM Nagarajan. So the next question goes to DTM Nagarajan. It is a
Okay.
forced one on you.
Okay.
Okay. If your life was a novel, what would be the title and how would your story end? If your life was a novel, what would be the title and how would your story end? Over to you, His Highness DTM Nagarajan, Division K Director.
Good evening, Table Topics Masters and our area director, Ramesh, and guests from other clubs. The title what I wish to give is Don't Be Scared. Don't be scared. But I will be the first person to get scared the moment they told me you are going to get married at the age of 29. But leave alone. But Don't Be Scared is a novel title is okay. How I would like to end. Now almost 40 years I have spent in UAE. 1981 I left Chennai. Nobody was prepared to leave or even encouraged me or inspired me to leave Chennai in 1981. I was the only first person from my street in that area itself. There was only one gentleman who encouraged me. He came and told my grandfather, who is like the United Nations Secretary General, who has all the veto powers in our family. He told, send your grandson. Don't be scared. He will go abroad. He will gain knowledge. He will get experience. Plus you people also will get money. He is just 22 completed. That time my age. So encourage him. One person in the street came to my grandfather and said, so today almost 40 years I have completed in UAE and I'm very proud. I have learned a lot. Given me immense pleasure for me. Today when I visited my office for my final settlements and other papers to sign, I received a warm welcome again and everybody was so happy to receive me because I was never scared or feared for anything to say. At the same time, the Toastmasters core values, integrity, everything I maintained it. So the title is Don't Be Scared. And if you maintain your integrity and with confidence, you will be succeeding in all spheres of life. Back to TT Master.
Great topic, Sagadolkar topic. Don't be afraid. Great. Now I see one young lady whom our Division K director has prized her, saying that she is always the first person to come forward and give the respond to the word of the day. But I'm unfortunately today till now she has not come forward to take up the table topics topic. So I am going to call her and ask her, are you ready, Reshmi?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Reshmi, I know I'm pushing you, but the topic is, how would you describe freedom in your own words? How would you describe freedom in your own words?
Thank you, Table Topic Master. Good evening, one and all. Freedom. Actually, this topic suits for me very well because I'm a person who always talks about the freedom. Freedom from our situations, health freedom, our word freedom, because we all have so many do's and don'ts. So you don't talk like that. There is nothing like that. So we should have a freedom for everything. Everything we have the freedom. The limit only we only have to decide, because then only the person will improve also. The freedom is a very important thing that everybody should practice, and because then only we can cross our own limit. So if we will go back, if I will write a book about the freedom, the first thing I will write do and do's or the mistakes I made by chasing my own freedom. So in that book, I will always written that what are the mistakes I made, and also I will end up a note also how you have to do to overcome your fear to make yourself a free bird to achieve that thing. So this is all the matter of ice breaking. So once we will break that ice, you will catch that freedom and you can fly over. And I will never end that book also. I will not end because somebody should end that thing. So that is my uniqueness and that is my stamp. Over to you, TT Master.
I'm going to call, very well done, Reshmi, excellent. Tomorrow there is going to be a challenge between you and I. Who is going to respond for the word of the day first, you or I? Okay. And the question now goes to, this is to our DTAC ambassador. Do you know who is the DTAC ambassador? Our president. The man with a lot of brain, Ariv Alagan. Okay. Now, the Toastmaster Ariv Alagan, do you ask enough questions or do you settle for what you know? Do you ask enough questions or do you settle for what you know? Over to you.
Thank you, table topic master of the day. I don't know how you are reading the mind, or I don't know how you are a subdulger in reading the mind and reading the people's entire palmistry or archaeological things. I don't know how you are doing it, but the main problem with me is I was very lagging in asking questions. I used to understand myself and try to settle there itself. That is the main problem I am facing now. And I am learning to ask question, learn more, unlearn again, and then again learn more so that I can be much better. That is my agenda or the aim for 2021. And also I am practicing how to say no. So far, I was not able to say no, and I was again struggling a lot. So, my mentor in professional life also, he was suggesting me, you should at some point of time be firm and tell no at some point so that you can be better like that. But I am working on how to become a better person by asking questions and questioning the things happening in the life. Because normally I am the type of guy who just go along with the flow and meet the things what are coming on the way and then proceed further. But the main lesson learned mainly coming after into Toastmasters and also as an ExCom member, I was able to evaluate myself and trying to improve further by the way of asking questions. So that is how I perceive the things. And thank you for this wonderful question and chance for me to evaluate myself again. Thank you so much, and over to you, table topic master of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ariv Alagan. Many of you may not know, professionally, I'm a psychologist, and by education also, I have completed my psychology post-graduation. So now I'm, okay, bye, see you. I'm just going out. Anybody would like to join me? I'm flying out of Dubai, UAE. Anybody wants to join? Okay, let's go to Nathan Subramaniam Parameshwaran. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm not asking you the table topics, but a general question. How many years you have been in Toastmasters?
10 years.
27 years in outside the world, outside India, and 10 years in Toastmaster. So beyond the titles that others have given you, beyond the titles the others have given you, who are you? Beyond the titles that others have given you, who are you?
That's a very interesting question to introspect. Yes, of late I have been introspecting, who am I? How did I come into this world? How did I start my journey? Am I satisfied with my journey, my success? Yes, sometimes I feel like I have not achieved enough success what others have achieved in comparison with my peers. But the path which I took. I am from Trichy, a small town, and being born in a very modest family, humble backgrounds, without any support emotionally. Yes, emotionally I got a lot of support, financially or professionally, but I have had to stand on my own. That way, if I see, yes, I have made a lot of strides in my life. I have progressed. As a person, I'm very humble, honest, and I would like to be truthful to my people, to my company. And sometimes because of being so truthful and being straightforward, I also end up earning not enemies, but not a very pleasant person, the person who calls a spade, something like that. So I hope it is not a table topic. So you want me to continue?
It's up to you. It's a table topics only.
Oh, it's a table topic. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what I am. I always want to be truthful to myself, and I want to live my life the way I am. I don't want to compare myself with others. Whatever progress I have achieved, I am very happy. And learn from your mistakes and go ahead, but never compare and put a lot of stress in your life. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You really spoke from your heart. I could see without my stethoscope also. Very well done. Excellent. We have a person, whether it is Singapore club or Madras club or Bahrain club or Kuwait club, there is one person who is there clubbing everybody. And you know who is he? With his magnetic power, he clubs everyone. If you don't know, please let me introduce this young man. A very versatile person, a very helpful person. I just want to ask him, what would you regret not fully doing, being, or having in your life? Toastmaster Kanti Madinathan. What would you regret not fully doing, being, or having in your life?
Thank you, my lovable table topic master of the day, and all the Vibe Toastmasters and guests. What I regret is I really miss my parents, and before joining Toastmasters or before I come to the United Arab Emirates, I was in India, but I was a guy like misguided missile or not respecters. That is what do I want to say, the precious things, if it is near to us, we are not respecting. So that happened to me, even though my mom is a very lovable person and my dad is a very strict father, and they are doing all for my good things. But at that time, maybe due to the young age, or maybe it's a common for all the teenagers, and I'm not sure, maybe we all cross that ages only. So that time I didn't respect them, and even though I used to go around with my guys, my friends, and deviating my responsibilities with my family. So I'm spending here and there, and going around, and not informing my parents that a lot of things happened. So I regret that. If God gives me a boom that he bring me to the same age, I will respect them, and I may show the affection and love. Whatever they are giving to me, I will give to them back. But however, here I am now. I am doing the practice. And even though we are in the far, and my mom is also a Toastmaster, whenever she also used to join with me in the clubs also. So that's my greatest regret also. So thanks for reminding my mistakes in my life. Over to you, Toastmaster Annadatha Muraliji.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Kanti Madinathan. If I have not asked you this question, I would have not known that regret in your life. Really, you spoke out of without any inhibition. That shows you are good at heart. Assalamu alaikum, Alan Wasahlan, Toastmaster Firdaus, Kulamatan Takir, Ramadan Kareem. My question to you is,
Assalamualaikum. Yes.
Walaikum salam.
Hello.
My
Yes.
question to you is, what is something you know you do differently than most people? What is something you know you do differently than most people? Over to you, Toastmaster Firdaus.
Okay. Good evening to all. Impromptu speech is it's usually something which gives a hiccup to all, and I'm no different. And I was very inquisitive about this club, but I didn't know that I will get an opportunity to speak. Now, this question is what I do different than others, something which I know. I think it's probably the approach to life, which most people maybe are still struggling to find out. But I have traveled to many countries, over to 25 countries. So I have a general idea about, how life is in general in different places. Although we are all very different, we have different cultures, different traditions, different religions, but we are the same people inside, and the same emotions, the same feelings. We all want to work for the family. We all want to take care of children. So everybody is trying hard to find a way in their life. So basically, that reality, it kind of grounds me and makes me think that life is very short. So grab every opportunity that you got and live your life with positivity and spread happiness and joy. So probably that's what I've learned through the different experiences that have come through my life. Over to you, Table Topic Master.
Thank you, Sogdolkar, Toastmaster Firdaus. 25 countries. I don't know the names also. You have traveled 25 countries. Great. Congratulations. Mubarak to you. There is one person who built this club, and he is today an area director. But things will start moving ahead for such people. So my question to this young gentleman from the God's own country, Toastmaster Ramesh, what do you imagine yourself doing 10 years from now? What do you imagine yourself doing 10 years from now? Over to you, Area Director Ramesh Korath.
Thank you, Table Topic Master. Good evening, Toastmasters. A nice question. What I would be doing 10 years from now. Recently, I went to India, Kerala for a short vacation, for 1 week vacation. And I met my old mentor. He was an advocate. He was working in Qatar around 15 years. He made up enough money. He saved enough money. Now he's having a wonderful home, wonderful family. What he's doing, he's getting some income from banks and some funds and all. Now he's not doing anything. He's reading, taking care of his kids. He's building his boy to become a cricket player. He's having an aim of to become, make him as a national player. So after looking at his life, reading, enjoying time, having a peaceful life, I thought after 10 years, I will also save some money, do a minimal life now. I will compromise a lot of weekend spending, do some investment, make some money. Then after 10 years, definitely I'll go back to my God's own country, having a small home with my small family. When I say small family, means I have 3 kids. And I wanted to read a lot of books. I want to learn with the Toastmasters. I want to spend time with the wise people like many Toastmasters. I want to listen to a lot of speeches. Morning wake up, do a meditation, do a simple life, happy and prosperous life. And as someone mentioned, I wanted to conquer that freedom after 10 years. Though I'm enjoying my freedom now, but after 10 years, I'll be enjoying my true freedom. Over to you, Toastmaster, another. Determine another.
Thank you, Ramesh. My only wish, Kwaish, is that all your wishes should come true, and we all pray for it. There is one person who is novice to our meeting now. He is Toastmaster Neve. Can we ask him to open his camera, and is he ready to start? speaking? Is he there?
Yeah, she left, sir.
She left.
Now we have.
Okay.
Yeah, if timer wants to speak, I can.
Yeah,
take the
that's what
timer
I'm going
role.
to do. I'm going to ask Kanti Madinathan to be the timer, and then ask our timer, Manazir Abbas. You know, how many of you know Manazir Abbas is a rookie Toastmaster? Yani a new Toastmaster, just 4 months only into the Toastmaster. So question goes to our Toastmaster, Manazir. Manazir, what can you do today that you are not capable of a year ago? What can you do today that you are not capable of a year ago? Over to you, Janab Manazir Abbas.
Thank you so much, Double Topic Master, respected guests, and my seniors. The question which you have asked is exactly, I want to repeat what our Toastmaster Arif said, that yes, you learn, you know, you yin, you leap, and you try to get into the heart of a person and to know what he has to speak on. You're giving exactly the same topic. Anyway, coming back to the topic, what I would have not done earlier, since as a business owners, everybody goes ups and down in the life. I also messed up a few things, and in a big way. I messed up in a big way. So what was happening? I was having a huge team in the company, almost like 90 plus people in the working in the company. So I start saving my face from those people and running away from. Before the office closes, I used to run away so that they should not encounter me on that day because of some financial concerns at that time. But my wife asked me, no, don't run away from the fear, because fear is the absence of a faith, is the absence of hope. If you do not have a hope, if you do not have a faith in yourself, there is no point of running a business. Go and face the world and tell the reality. And trust me, that has changed my entire life. Now I can face the fear very easily, because whenever the fear comes, I try to analyze what could be the last thing can happen with this. Once you put down the list, it's all in the mind. Fear is what? Fear is because of two things. We think that something is haunting, something tomorrow is coming to haunt us. So we run away from that, which is not there right now. We anticipate that some trouble, some problem is going to come to you tomorrow, and the problem is waiting for you. Either we are haunted with our past. These are the two things which is the main cause of your any fear. But if you can make it out, I think you have done. So I would, everybody says to their wife that they love their wife. But I always say that I not only love my wife, but I also respect my wife. Because she is the mirror to me. She always showed me the right path to move ahead. I think, Kanti sir, you have forgot the light or what?
He has got mesmerized with your speech.
Yeah, it's red.
It's
Anyway,
red.
so the list goes on. So I would like to give the credit to my wife. What I was worried about, what I feared about, that fear has been taken out by my wife. And she stood with me very strong and tall enough with me to make the things happen. So this is the thing, sir. Thank you so much. Over to you.
Thank you very much. I have another 2 topics, because after this, I need to move to another meeting where I'm giving a keynote speech on medical insurance. So my topic I will announce. I will ask either Aswani or Mahendran to come forward, or Baig Saab to come forward and take up this. The topic is very simple. What is this?
Money.
Yes. Other than money, what motivates you to go to work each day? What motivates you to go to work each day? Either Baig, Aswani, Mahendran. Somebody come forward. Yes, Chinnatambi has come forward. Yes.
Yes. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters.
Good evening.
What makes me motivate to go to my job profession. To be frank, money is a second part and only give motivate when the salary comes, only for 2 days. After that, money doesn't stay with me, so I never get motivated to work behind the money. There are two things that I really expect when I work. One is the respect of my hard work. The second one is about the integrity. When I get both, then I'm really motivated to work beyond my level and beyond the expectation. If I doesn't get any single day, then automatically it drains out and I will never work for 1 or 2 days. That's how I'm working at the moment. Over to you, DTM.
Thank you. The next question is a very simple question. I want to know who can come forward. Aswani, Baig, Sujit Kumar spoke, no? Sujit Kumar ready?
Yes.
Very good. So Aswani and Baig. It's a very simple topic. Which book has had the greatest influence on your life? Which book has had the greatest influence on your life? Is it Aswani or Baig?
Yes, Ashwini, you are there.
Aswani, Baig. Sujit Kumar has raised his hand. Yes, tell me.
Yes,
Okay,
if
Aswani
you...
said from her ear. Okay, no problem, Aswani. Yes,
if you allow
Sujit.
me, I will take up this topic.
Have you spoken earlier?
Yes, but I would like to
No,
speak
then
again.
we will come. If Baig is not taking,
Yeah. It's okay.
Baig Saab. Mr. Baig, are you there? Toastmaster Baig? Toastmaster Ramesh, can you check whether Baig is there?
I think no, sir. I mean, maybe. So you
Okay,
can
we will end up with this question, which Sujit will answer, but Sujit will not be counted for the second time speaker, only one speaker. Okay, what book or which book has had the greatest influence on your life? Over to you, Sujit Kumar Reddy G.
Yeah, G is the initial. So I put it deliberately over there to get the
Double
some
respect.
good side. Double respect. So coming to the table topic of the day, what book had life value influence on my life? By professionally, I am an electrical engineer. In my diploma, up to my diploma, I was not good at all in the educations. I can say I was very jolly person who's not putting in any zero interest on any education. Then after while carrying out my diploma, I came up to one power system subject. You know, we are using in our day-to-day life, we are using electricity from thousands of miles away. They are generating. We are using in by fraction of seconds. If you on the switch on the thing, it will switch on. So after the God, if you see every day, is there any form of energy you can easily transmit to one place to another place? Is the only one thing is available in the electricity in the world. So during my diploma, I came up to the power system subject. You know, there is a revisions, power system 1, 2, 3, 4, advanced power system. Once I start learning about the system, I get the interest. I get interest and again and again and again. So that after completing my engineering, I got a telecom job in my first place. But I was not interested to join in telecom industry. So my entire focus in the power system. Why? Because I loved that subject. After a lot of struggles, I joined in the power system field. Now I am a maintenance engineer in power generation company in Abu Dhabi. 3000, we are generating proudly 3,500 megawatts each and every second. So over to you.
Great. It was really a Sakdolkar meeting for us, and I really enjoyed being your table topics master for the first time in this club. So thank you. With this note, let me hand over the platform back to our president, Toastmaster Arivaragan. And you will have to excuse me because I have to give a keynote speech in another club with your permission. I think I have done my role to the best of my capacity, capability, and my knowledge. I would like someone to evaluate my speech also, my table topic session, and I will take the recording from our magnate, Mr. Kanti.
So before
Sir,
you go, I think can we have a photograph, group photograph?
Yes. DTM Nagarajan, sir, I need your permission to leave, and to our area director.
Well done, sir. Well done. Thank you very much for your kind support.
Can we take a photo?
Yes.
I took it already in WhatsApp group.
Oh,
okay.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank
you. Good day.
Thank
God
you.
bless you all.
Topic master.
Bye.
Thank you for the wonderful session. And really, it's an
Thank you.
amazing and awesome session. Everyone was enjoying the session. And you made people to break the silence and come out of their comfort zone. And really, you proved one of the psychologists you are there. Really, I don't know how you are capturing each and everyone and scanning them and bringing them out. But hats off to you. And before proceeding to the next session, evaluation, let us have the timer report. And Kanti, if ready, we can go for voting also.
Yeah, timer report will give by Toastmaster Manazir, and I have the poll, and my poll has only limitation up to 10. So 2 speakers I omit, one is you and another is my name.
Great.
Okay, over to you. Yes. Toastmaster Manazir, yes, please.
Thank you so much. I suppose like everybody was on time, like Madam Toastmaster Priyadarshini took like 1 minute 53 seconds. Toastmaster Sujit Kumar, 1 minute 13 seconds. Toastmaster Patabiran took 2 minutes 13 seconds. Madam Toastmaster Rashmi took 1 minute 21 seconds. Toastmaster Ariv 1 minute 45 seconds. Toastmaster Nathan 2 minutes 5 seconds. Toastmaster Kanti 1 minute 50 seconds. Toastmaster Fidos 1 minute 35 seconds. And Toastmaster Mahendran 1 minute. And I'll say the best time to plant the tree was 20 years back, and the next best time is now. That's what Vibe has done today. Over to you, Modi, Arif.
Thank you so much, our timer, Toastmaster Manazir Abba. Wonderful observation and clear timing you have given. And I think voting was done by all the people. And thank you so much for giving your time in voting also. So let us call our general evaluator to evaluate the session overall and the table topic session also, how it is. So to do the evaluation, let us call our Toastmaster Nathan Subramaniam ji for proceeding with the sessions. System is yours. Sorry.
Good evening, Toastmasters. Give me a second. Sorry, I think I was doing something. I have hidden it. Okay, first and foremost, the session was thoroughly enjoyable. Why did I join this Toastmasters Club? Even though I said I have been a Toastmaster for close to a decade, when it comes to table topic speaking, I still consider myself as a novice. In our club, I used to actively participate in taking up roles in generally in a session, what happens when you take up actively roles, you are not called for table topics. And that's how I used to miss out on table topics. So when I came to know, when my wife told me that there is an exclusive Toastmaster club aimed at improving your table topic speaking skills, I said, let me be in. And today, being a Thursday, I think I have a comfortable time. So I would like to continue to be a member in this club so that my table topic speaking skills improves. And coming back to the session, yes, as I said, the session was enjoyable. The topics were excellent. All the topics had good scope for speaking. That is what I liked about the table topic master when he brought the topics. Every topic had a scope to speak for 2 minutes. And all the speakers, they did fabulously well. Now, let me look at each of the speaker, how they did it. To start with, first, Toastmaster Priyadarshini. Her topic was first day experience as a Toastmaster. What I liked in her, the table topic master asked someone to volunteer and she volunteered. That is the spirit in which we should conduct this table topic club. Because most of us have joined this club thinking to improve our table topic speaking skills. For table topic speaking, you have to come out of the fear. For that, you have to volunteer, and you took the right step and shown us the way how to do it. Your confidence was very much evident. Coming back to the improvement areas, I felt you did not address the table topic master or the table Toastmasters. And also the topic was your first day experience, whereas you were explaining how you joined this club, how your husband motivated you to join this club. This is what I felt. Quite a few hours and you used. Possibly in the next subsequent sessions you can avoid. The next one is Toastmaster Sujit. The topic given to him was, if we learn from mistakes, why are we afraid? He spoke about learning from mistakes, he addressed the topic well. But I think, again, he also did not address the table topic master and the other Toastmasters. And he also spoke about why are we making mistakes. He did not say why are we making mistakes. We should learn from mistakes. Everything was okay, perfect. Why are we making mistakes? We make mistakes because of fear of failure or fear of being admonished. That kind of an impact did not come. That's what I felt. Anyway, all of us are learning, and sometimes we need to take the comments in our stride. The next Toastmaster was Toastmaster Pattabhiraman. What personal prisons have you built out of fear? He spoke about comfort zone, how he moved from village to city, what kind of fears he had, and acclimatizing to the conditions addressed. Again, he could have given about the, you said, I could have been given the previous topic. We should not start on a negative note. This is what I felt. And also a few hours and and you could have also mentioned the personal prisons you built, that you could have highlighted it so that you could have addressed the exact topic. Then DTM Nagarajan, yes, he spoke like a pro. He addressed the topic very well. His topic was, if life was a novel, what would be the title and how would you like the story to end? Then he addressed it superbly well, and his confidence was evident. Years of Toastmastering experience was spot on. Again, sir, you did not mention how would you like your life to end. This is what you missed it. Now coming back to next topic speaker, Reshmi, how would you describe freedom? You addressed the topic very well, and you also mentioned about writing a book, how you will write about do's and don'ts in the book. In fact, I felt you could have also mentioned what are those do's and don'ts. Not everyone, at least a couple of do's and don'ts you could have mentioned while speaking. Arivaragan spoke very well. Do you ask enough questions or do you settle for what you know? And then you chose to settle for what you know, but you did not take clearly a stand on what was it. You mixed it in between. This is what I felt. Of course, how I spoke, possibly one of you can evaluate. Toastmaster Kanti, what would you regret not fully doing, being, or having in your life? Here, address the topic. What I liked in you mentioned about misguided missile, which I liked it, and you spoke without fear. That is the positive aspect of your speech. And you seem to have excitement to speak continuously. Possibly you need to take a deep breath and then relax and speak. Possibly you can try that. Toastmaster Firdaus, what is something you know differently than most people? You spoke very well. What I liked in your speech was the fluency, the language, the articulation with which you spoke was absolutely great. The language is your forte. Try to focus on that. You could have also, I felt, elaborated on the topic. Manar Abbas, what can you do today that you are not capable of a year ago? You, in fact, you used a couple of quotes. Fear is the absence of faith. Fear is the absence of hope. Absolutely great, because quoting a quote in a table topic is a very tough thing, which you did exceptionally well. Your confidence was very evident. You were very emphatic when you spoke about those statements. The question was, what did you learn which you did not know a year ago? I felt you did not address the topic. Mahendran, other than money, what motivates you to go to work each day? You spoke very well. You addressed the topic. You said respect and integrity, which is for which you go to office every day. And you could have detailed a personal example out of your life. An incident you could have quoted so that the topic can reach the minds of the audience very well. Toastmaster Sujit, which book has the greatest influence on your life? You spoke about power system subject. You spoke very well. And again, I would like to appreciate you because you volunteered for this topic. That is the positive aspect in you. Continue to develop that. There are many hours possibly you need to consciously avoid. Now, some of the suggestions what I would like to give for table topics is, generally, we did not elaborate, we did not give a personal example. Draw your own experiences. If you can chalk out a personal story or a personalized story, it will reach the audience very well. It will be easy to talk as well. Go with the first idea that pops in your head. If you wait for the bigger idea, that may not come along. Third, everyone in this room was in your position sometime or the other. So people can empathize, especially in table topics. All of us can empathize when we freeze or stumble. So don't worry about others' reactions. Listen closely to the questions. Mentally formulate your response even for other questions. Even though you are not being called, if you can prepare yourself, if you start responding, what I would have said if this question had been posed to me. Possibly that's how we can develop. One more suggestion, what I would like to give, even we faced a situation like we could not list down all the speakers for voting. So possibly what we can do, we can split this table topic segments into 2 or 3 segments instead of having one segment. Because even for the audience to remember for example, how Kanti spoke or how Sujit spoke, the first speakers, it would be very difficult to recall. What we can do, we can split it in 2 or 3 segments, and then the best speakers we can choose, and then possibly we can have a final, something like that. We are now tying up with many ideas, something like that. On that note, I would like to end. I hope I have not hit my time. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, our General Evaluator DTM Nathan Subramaniam ji. Thank you so much for this elaborate, very clear and precise evaluation. Oh my God, you have given so much improvement points also, and definitely each and every speaker as well as the XCOM team as a whole, we will follow that and we will try to implement the suggestions also. And the last point you are talking about, the breaking the section, that is also a good option, because we were really missing out, and even I could not figure it out how many people participated. So there is a lapses happening there, but surely that's an awesome session and very clear evaluation. Each and everyone, what was their question asked and what is their improvement point. You have given a detailed evaluation, and it's really helpful for those individual people also. Thank you so much. And with that,
meanwhile, may I ask one of you to evaluate my table topic speech?
I think our
and I would like to say I did not use the traditional evaluation methods. Okay, so I was more, I would say, bold and frank.
True. No, it's open. It's nothing bold. I think it's open, clear. And to evaluate our Kamala Hassan, we call our Rajnikant.
Evaluation of whose speech?
DTM Nathan Subramaniam ji's speech.
Oh, I have to recollect now. I forgot the title.
You can evaluate the evaluation also.
No, had you told me, then I would have noted down something. I have not even taken any notes. And I even, what was the subject, sir? Your topic?
You are muted, sir.
Sir, please unmute. Sir, please unmute. DTM Nathan ji, please unmute.
Without the title, who I am.
Without the title, who I am.
Who I am. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Not able to recollect what you said exactly.
No problem. Manazir Abbas is ready, I think. He want to give his comments. Toastmaster Manazir Abbas, yes, please.
Thank you. Well, I'm very little or very small to give the valuation. But yes, what I liked about your speech was that it came directly from the heart, not from here. So whatever you spoke regarding your journey, it was very true, very evident. It was not articulated. And you spoke in such a manner that you forgot whether it's a table topic or whether it's not a table topic which you asked him. So that's what I like, that you were so much involved, you were so much engrossed in that while speaking, I say it's a hats off to you, sir.
Thank you.
Sorry, thank you, Toastmaster Manazir Abbas, for this wonderful evaluation and evaluating the general evaluator. You have made a history today. Okay, so moving to the other final session, our appreciation of participation and being selected as the best table topic speaker. We have a tie here, tiebreaker. We should have actually made that 2 table topic speakers to again speak, and we should have finalized. But this time we are not going for the contest. We are giving the participation certificate and best wishes for the winners and the participants also. One second, let me share the screen. So the first best table topic speaker of the Vibes Table Topics Toastmasters Club meeting number 1 is Toastmaster Manazir Abbas. And thank you and best wishes for you. And the other participant, let me share the screen. This gap is also needed, no? So that the zeal will be increasing a lot. The next speaker is our Toastmaster Reshmi Sujata. And thank you for the members and the guests also for voting and nominating these two people as the best table topic speakers. And that's all from our side. Best wishes for the other table topic speakers, and we heartily encourage you to take up this live table topic Toastmasters Club to with the other people, those who are interested in doing the table topic session or who want to improve their oh, MTM Reshmi, thank you. Good. And hopefully do DTM soon. So please do marketing for us and let us take up this session with all the other people so that they can come forward and improve their learning skills for improving their impromptu speaking. That's all from our side, and thank you once again everyone who participated actively and also the role players. And before handing over, before closing, let me hand over to the session to our Division K Director, DKD Nagarajan sir.
Aywa. Thank you, President Arivadagan, and all the members for our maiden meeting today. It's really indeed a great pleasure in seeing that we have started a new club. Yes, a journey of 1,000 miles start with a single step. The meeting number 1 is over. It is a unique club, table topics. Though we are all very one-to-one or in an informal manner experts in table topics. But the moment you are asked to speak in it. So in my P1 speech also I mentioned the moment a child is born, the first part which starts working is our brain. The moment you are asked to come to the stage and speak a few words, the first part which goes off is your brain. So that is the power of table topics. So here I would strongly say, just practice yourself. Take today's newspaper. One of the headlines, you take it. Just look around somewhere and speak within yourself or look at the mirror. Any subject which you are reading it, for example, frontline workers, Dubai frontline workers were rewarded. Take it. Immediately you think about it. Assemble the thoughts and you will get the experience. So never be scared. I'm really thankful and also appreciate Toastmaster Priyadarshini from UAE Advanced Toastmasters Club, who was immediately accepted my request and participated today. Wonderful. Today she made her beginning and it's a long way to go. And I also noticed a lot of new friends from other clubs, Fujairah Toastmasters, Sujit Kumar Reddy and Toastmaster Firdaus, excellent speakers. This is just only the seed has been sown today. Inshallah, the next division contest, one of the table topics champion should be from the Wives Toastmasters, which I am expecting it. So wonderful. Now itself you can decide who is going to be the next TM Modi. This is how you have to start. Somebody should come forward. It is because it is very easy.
DTM Nagarajan. DTM Nagarajan, sir.
I am not hearing it. Give chances to the others. If nobody is coming or anything, previous one day before you tell me. No problem. Chance give to others so that they will start preparing. They will do the homework. And again, topics, don't go for the hard philosophical topics. No hard philosophical topics. Easy topics, very simple. Prepare it and then do the good one. And thank you, Kanti, and thank you for all the members. Back to President Arivadagan.
Thanks a lot, our Division K Director, for this wonderful, encouraging speech. And thank you, Toastmaster Firdaus, for coming forward and accepting the TTMOD role for our next meeting. Hopefully, we'll be having the another interesting and inspiring, but not psychological related session.
No. Hope it will be a good and different experience.
Yes.
Great. Great. So Before closing, let us ask some comments from the guest. How do you feel? And before the starting of the session and after your speech, what is the difference you feel within yourself? The butterflies were still there or sleeping? You can share whatever you have. Yes, please. Who is coming forward? Toastmaster Priyadarshini or Toastmaster Reshmi or Firdaus, Toastmaster?
Okay, I feel, yeah.
Okay, continue. I'll speak later.
Okay, so the experience with impromptu speech is always that you have a skipped heartbeat before you start. It's like you need that kickstart, and once you have that flow of thoughts, that's when you start to be more comfortable, and then when the thoughts kind of flow. The trouble is just that start, your mind has to formulate the thoughts in that very short span of period, and I think that's what creates that fear and panic. So once you would be able to take that step forward, and then it becomes very easy. So that's what I feel about impromptu speech. And you have to practice, as our DTM Nagarajan sir said, keep practicing. And I think that will make it easier to put that step forward.
True. I remember in my area contest also, I said through our table topics contest, Priya Mohan was there. I told her to speak not all what you are thinking. Speak not all what you are thinking, but think what all you want to speak.
That's right.
This is the most important quote for the table topics. So based on this, practice yourself every day. Then you can be a master. You can be a master. I'm telling. Thank you for our area director for starting giving this club. And also, I'm seeing almost 15 members. Minimum, at least we should have 20 members. And keep at least 10 to 12 table topics minimum, and then practice it. Well done, well done. Thank you very much all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all. Have a nice evening.
Toastmaster Priyadarshini, you can share your points.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Arivargan. And first of all, I would like to thank DKD Nagarajan sir, because not today, but since I have joined Toastmasters, he's the only person who has always pushed me to participate in some or the other way. I mean, be it singing, or be it taking up any role in the contest or in club, wherever I mean, he thought that I should participate. He just asked me, and basically I'm very shy, but what I thought is if you are shy, then you need Toastmasters Club more, because they are going to help you how to express yourself, because it's not like that nobody has any thought in their mind. Everybody has some thoughts in their minds, but they don't know how to express it well, and that too within the time limit. How to manage the speech, how to start it, how to make the body of the speech and then end it with the message. This thing nobody is going to tell you, and even if anybody tells you, you're not going to get chance anywhere else. That's what you are getting here in Toastmasters. And I'm so sorry to my husband that I did not listen to him, because if I would have listened to him 8 years back, today my future must have been something different. But it's better late than never, so I joined it, and I knew while speaking for the table topic today that I'm not going through the topic. Still, whatever came to my mind, I spoke with it, and that's what my aim was. And that's why the DKD Nagarajan might have appreciated me, that at least I spoke something. This was my second table topic, and since last 8 to 12 months, I have never taken table topic role. This was the second time he has asked me to take up the role, so as a participant. So I'm thankful to DKD Nagarajan. Thank you so much. And if possible, I would think to join this club. Sure.
No
for
problem.
sure.
Thank you so much and
No
welcome.
problem.
Yeah.
Think.
Thank you so much.
Whatever experience you learned, you can take up with your colleagues and fellow Toastmasters also, and you can pull them also every week. And you have given a good message to all the other Toastmasters. I feel Madam Toastmasters, that is also a good one. Hearing the husbands at least some point of the time.
Yes, yes. Very soon your husband will find out that you have become the table topics expert.
Great, that is really great. Toastmaster Reshmi, you want to share anything?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much actually for inviting this thing. So when Toastmaster Ari invited me, so I told I will be off my camera. But thanks for the psychological movement of DKD Nagarajan and director Toastmaster Ramesh. They psychologically made me to not to off the camera. And also I have to mention one thing that I just remember the 10 years back when I did my first table topic speech actually. It having lot of ahs, oohs, and what one Toastmaster mentioned here that our brain will go off. Yes, of course it is like that. So when we have our fear something it came, so we have sweat in our forehead. But when our brain itself is gone, we have sweat in our hands only. So that is a magic of table topics. So now it is not like that. So today I am very much happy that I won this certificate. So this is actually a stamp to myself itself. So how I was before in 2011 and now how I am here now. And also actually I would like to thank to Toastmaster Arif that for his 365 days challenge for posting the word. The day one when I started, I make a sentence, I put in the Google and is it correct or not? I check. Now I don't want that thing. Maybe I was going for a walk and I just type it like that. It is going as it is. So this is how the impromptu speaking that Toastmaster Nagarajan, DTM Nagarajans are already told that thing. We just read the newspaper like that. By practice, it will happen. So this is it. And that is the magic of Toastmasters. And it will help in personal and professional lives, no doubt. And thanks for the opportunity, sir. And thanks for everything.
Well done.
Thank you so much for this inspiring speech. And now we know the reason how you are posting the thing. Your secret has been revealed now. The magic secret. And thank you so much. And the area director, you want to finish and close it up? Any other you want to share?
He has to close it. It is his baby.
Yeah. No. Thank you, President Arivagan. I wanted to thank especially to DTM Nathan. Sir, I know there were 14 speakers. You remember the topic given to each and every speaker. What are the plus, minus? I don't know how you manage it. For me, even evaluating more than one person is a difficult task. Kudos to you, hats off to you. One improvement part I wanted to give to you. I was waiting for my evaluation, but somehow you missed it. Toastmaster Ramesh. And this meeting is possible. Thank you for everyone, but one person, we have ExCom formed, Toastmaster Arivagan took up the president role. We have one Toastmaster was assigned as a VP education, but due to some personal reason, she has to move out. And one person came to me and he said, sir, I will take it up VP education. And he managed to get all the 16 members here, arranged each and everything. Kudos to you, Toastmaster Kanti. Thank you so much for this meeting. Okay. Thank you, Toastmaster Arivagan. Over to you.
Thank you, Area Director. Thank you, Ari, for giving me the opportunity.
Okay. Make sure next time onwards we maintain the time management.
Sure. Yes. We are learning, sir.
This you have been telling 10 years.
Still learning.
Someone is joining now.
Yeah. Tilakam joined. So DTM Nagarajan can give one topic to her.
Okay. What I said in the UAE Advanced Toastmasters.
Yes.
Welcome, Toastmaster Tilakam.
Now connecting to audio.
He is connecting now. Yeah, by the way, Toastmaster Ramesh, yes, I missed your evaluation. I noted it down. Let me just give you quickly. Yes, your topic was, what do you imagine yourself doing 10 years from now? You addressed the topic very well. You mentioned about how you would like to have a relaxed and retired life, having inspired by one of your relatives or friends, right? What I felt, you could have elaborated it further. You just mentioned it. but you did not elaborate it. You could have elaborated it in a detailed manner. And I think the timer they excluded you, right? A couple of Toastmasters. So you were also one. So possibly that's how he missed it. And many of us could have extended the topic. Most of us spoke within the red. Our aim should be to speak beyond the red. And that should be our aim.
President, can we officially close the session, or we'll go with the one question for Toastmaster Deenadayal Jilagam?
I think we already exceeded the time, but
yes.
Once you officially close it, then when she is sitting, okay, that time.
Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for this wonderful session and also the wonderful opportunity. And thank you for being here with us and making this session the session number one, the meeting number one, as a wonderful in a history. It will be recorded. And thank you so much for being with us. Thank you, Division K Director. Thank you, DTM Subramaniam Parameswaran. And thank you, our area director. And thank you, my other fellow members and our guests.
Thank you, Subramaniam sir. Thank you, Subramaniam sir.
Meeting is closed. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.